Verifying your Wish account is an important step to ensure the security of your personal information and to access all features of the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Open a Wish app or website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find verification options. In the account settings menu, look for the verification section. This may be labeled as account verification or identity verification. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include your phone number, email address, or identification documents depending on the requirements. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting your information, check your email or phone for a confirmation message. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your Wish account should be verified, allowing you to enjoy a secure shopping experience.